here is some description of the some basic concept of chemistry. Matter. What is matter? Matter, anything has mass and occupied space. It has been divided into three parts: solid, liquid, gas. As we know, solid has definite volume and shape, and liquid has definite volume but not definite shape. Gas neither definite volume or not having definite shape. Now the second point is mixture. Mixture contains two or more substance. It is called mixture. We have two type of mixtures: homogeneous, which form uniform composition like sugar solution or solution, and heterogeneous mixture is a non-uniform composition, a mixture of sugar and salt and grain of pulses along with dirt. It is the example. The component of mixture are separated by physical methods like hand picking, filtration, crystallization, distillation. Pure substance, what are the pure substance? Different from mixture, have fixed composition like copper, silver, gold, water, glucose. It will come in pure substance. And now pure substance is being divided into element and compound. What is element? Consists of one type of particle like sodium and hydrogen, and compound, two or more atom of different elements like CO2 and H2. It is compound. SI system, as we all know, system international. The full form of it, like length is L, mass is small m, time is small t, electric current I, thermodynamic temperature capital T, amount of substance small n, luminous intensity LV. Here the given its SI unit meter, kilogram, second. Electric current is ampere, Kelvin, and mole, and candela. And it's not small version is also given: small m, kilogram, kg, second smallest, ampere, capital A, Kelvin, capital K, mole, MOL, candela, CD. Now the differentiation between mass and weight. The amount of matter present in it is mass. Weight, force exerted by gravity on an object is weight. Common scale to measure